everyone, Cara Blake here with Sarasota Home Specialist, and I want to welcome you to my newest listing here at 701 Misty Pine Drive in the highly desirable community of Sawgrass in Venice, Florida. This home has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths and is nearly 2,000 square feet. Let's go inside and take a look. As you enter through the double front doors, you will find beautiful laminate wood flooring, a high tray ceiling, and crown molding throughout. This light and bright home features a large kitchen with a cozy seating area and an adjacent dining room. The split floor plan has 2 bedrooms in the front of the house and the master in the back. The spacious master offers a 5-piece bathroom set, including a soaking tub, and it also has sliding glass doors that lead out onto the lanai where you can relax and take in the tropical view of the golf course and enjoy the perfect Florida lifestyle. Sawgrass is a gated golf course community with a resort-style heated pool, fitness center, tennis courts, and a clubhouse offering plenty of social activities. Voted the #1 residential community in Venice by the readers of the Gondolar Sun, you don't want to miss the opportunity to own in this fantastic location. Set up your private showing today.